Hey, it's Carl from Wikads. I'm going to go over making variable products in your WooCommerce store. So variable products are just products with different variants per one product. So for an example, a shirt might have different colors and different sizes, and those are all different variants for the one shirt. So let's get started. So in the back end of your site, go to Products and click Add New. And just like our simple products, we're going to give it a name. So, square throw pillow, and we're going to add a description. Which I have one written here. Alright, and I'm just going to copy this, put it into the short description, and move down to the product data. So instead of simple product, I'm going to set this as a variable product. And next, I'm going to go straight down to the attribute section. In here, I'm going to select my attribute, which I've already created a couple, and I'm going to select my color attribute and click Add. So I'm going to check Used for Variations and set my values. So I have an orange pillow and a yellow variation of this pillow. Now I'm going to click Save Attributes. I'm going to go down to Variations. And I'm going to create variations from all attributes. Run this, click OK. Alright, and here are two variants. So I'm going to open one. And first thing I'm going to do is set the image. So in my media library, I can pick this one right here. I'm going to set the SKU, which I have right here. Set the price. And I do want to manage the stock and receive notifications when it's low on stock, so I'm going to click Manage Stock. So stock quantity, I have 80 of these orange pillows in my inventory. I do not want back orders. And I want to be notified when there's 5 left in the store. I'm going to add my weight. So 0.5 pounds. And it is 16 inches by 16 inches by 3 inches high. And I'm going to leave the shipping class same as the parent. Same with the tax class. And I'm just going to add a custom description here. So a very awesome orange throw pillow. Alright, so that variation is done. Now I can move on to the yellow. So set the image. Add a SKU. Set a price. And I do want to manage the stock on this as well. And I have 40 of these yellow pillows. I don't want back orders, and same thing, I do want to know when there are 5 left. So, as a weight, it is the exact same as my previous variant. And I'm just going to add its own little description here. Alright, so now we're done modifying our variants. I'm going to click Save Changes. And move on to setting the categories. So it is a pillow, so I'll put in the pillow category. And I'll throw it in my new arrivals. Moving down, you can add product tags. I won't for this instance, but I will set a product image. Which it's a good practice to maybe show all the different variations or some of the different variations in your main product image. This will be the image that's shown in the catalog and the first image when people visit the product without selecting a variant. So I'm going to set product image, and that's basically it. Now, if you want a default product here, you can set it here. So let's say my orange is going to be my default variant. But you do not have to set this. Alright, so now that my product's set up, I'm going to click Publish. And let's go view the product. And here we go. So as you see, because I set the orange as the default pillow, it's already selected in the option here. But I can change it to yellow. Now as you see the data around, the product changes. And now I can add it to my cart to purchase this yellow pillow. And really, that's basically it, managing variable products. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment.